Okay, so today for my makeup, I just wanted to do like my go-to summer glowy kind of vibes. So using all of my favorite summer, well, not really summer, I wear these year round, but summer is definitely the season where everyone's wanting glowy skin, glowy cheekbones, glowy everything. So I just figured I would do my makeup on camera for fun because I have the day off today, and yep. And so yeah, these are all my kind of go-to products I use when I want a very nice glowy base. I'm going to mix these two products. Sunscreen, because you should be wearing sunscreen every day, and the Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops by Drunk Elephant. This is amazing. You can mix this in with your foundation, your moisturizer. I just use sunscreen because it really just kind of helps me ensure that I wear sunscreen. So you really just need like that much. That's kind of what I do. You really just need that much. This is not meant to be worn by itself. It definitely needs to be mixed in with stuff. Get the neck. Okay, and that already, like, a lot of times if I'm not wearing makeup, like if I'm just doing nothing, maybe going to the grocery store and that's it, or I just don't feel like wearing makeup, I just do this. Just do the sunscreen with the bronzing drops, and it gives such a nice glow. It helps even out the skin tone just a little bit. Yeah, this is so nice. It is such, I bought this during the VIB sale and I really, really recommend it. Love, love, love. Cocoa extract. I wonder if this actually helps with pollution. And I just love that it's called Sunshine Drops because that's so cute. Okay. So next, I just bought this product yesterday and I think it's already going to be a staple. I already know I love it. Oh, my hands are all slippery now, so I can't open it. This is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I saw this in the Sephora new arrivals like a month ago and I was like, I need that in my life. I have just like genetically bags under my eyes all the time. I always have dark circles. I could sleep 12 hours a day every day and they would always be there. And so I immediately added this to my loves list on Sephora. And then I saw Samantha Ravenel talk about it pretty much in every single one of her videos the past few weeks. So I knew I needed it. And this is what it looks like. This is gonna last me years because you barely need any. Like, that's insane. And like, do you see how much I used? Like none. This is gonna last so long. It doesn't say how many ounces it is. Oh wait, 0.16. Like, look at that compared with the under eye corrector, without. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna cake this on. I just like can't believe it. It was $32, but I just feel like I'm gonna use this every day. It's gonna last so long. So worth it for me. Okay. So this does provide a nice glow, but I mean, I would use this no matter what look I was doing. It just happens to go with today's theme. Is foundation. I'm using the It Cosmetics CC Cream, which is my go-to foundation pretty much every day, but it also does provide a really nice glow. So if that's something that you're looking for in a foundation, I definitely recommend this one. And just for a little bit extra, I'm gonna mix in the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer in Radiance. This is just gonna give an extra little glow. It has a really nice golden tinge to it, so I'm gonna just do like that much. It's like 3/4 of a pump. Pretty. And then I just take my foundation brush. This is the Sephora Pro Flawless Airbrush number 56. And I just mix, mix, mix. Oh, I might end up needing a little bit more. That's okay. And then okay. For concealer, I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Concealer. This covers really well, and it also gives, I wouldn't say it gives a glowy look, but it gives a really like hydrated look. And now with the under eye corrector, I just don't need like as much as I would normally use because that already helped cancel out the dark circles. Cover all my little places I've been picking at my skin, on the eyes because I have the most veiny eyelids. Okay, and base is done. I just love how glowy it is. Yeah, all those products are some of my absolute favorites. I've been loving them so much. To bronze and highlight. This is so worth the money. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. Can't recommend it enough. Like, it's so good. The quality is so amazing. They're just like butter, and it provides the best bronze and glow. The name does not lie, folks. Like, it just sculpts out my cheekbones like nobody's business. It's definitely a go-to when I just want to look like a bronze goddess. I just kind of take it on the perimeters of my face, cheekbones, forehead, a little bit on the jawline, and I'll do a little bit on the nose too, just for like more of a, I just feel like that's how the sun hits you normally. You get like a little tan kind of across the bridge of the nose. And I just kind of go ham. Okay, I think we're sufficiently bronzed. So now I'm gonna go into the highlight shade, which is just so stunning. And I pretty much just put this everywhere. It's just such a pretty golden. It's like you're glowing, but it's not the super, super intense. You're like, wow, that girl is wearing a shit ton of highlight. I mean, obviously I am, and you can tell, but it's still just like so pretty. Obsessed. It's just so glowy and golden, and I just feel like a movie star. Yeah, love it. Okay, for blush, this one isn't as like glowy. I don't know. It's more like it just gives a really nice healthy glow sheen to the cheeks, which I really like. And it's the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in the shade Perk. And I'm just going to, oh, how do I want to apply it? Maybe just straight to my cheeks. And it really does, I mean, the name's Perk, and it really just does perk up my cheeks, I feel like. This is a very beautiful corally color. I think that's good. I just love this makeup so much. I really want the Charlotte Tilbury, oh, I can't, I say that name. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Highlight Golden Mixer, whatever you want to call it, in the little tube. Samantha Rockendale talks about it all the time, and it just looks so pretty. Okay, moving on to eyes. Because this is sort of like when I do like a really glowy base, like I want that to be the focus, so I do really simple eyes, and I actually kind of cheat a little bit. Well, not cheat, I just like I'm lazy, and I'll just use this shade from the bronzer and just kind of swipe that everywhere and call it a day. Just for like a little something on the eyes, but like I really want the skin to be the focus when I do these glowy looks. And this just kind of ties it together, and then I don't have to dig out an eyeshadow or anything. And it's just so bronzy. Everything just kind of matches. So there's literally no technique other than put it everywhere. I just got this brush yesterday too, which is an e.l.f. blending brush, and I really like it. e.l.f. just makes the best brushes, and they're so inexpensive. Okay, and then I'm doing mascara. Brand new mascara. My drugstore go-to, Lash Sensational. It's so good. Keeps my lashes so curled, which I love, and it's just like the perfect combination of volumizing and lengthening. I was using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, and that is making me reconsider my idea that no high-end foundation or high-end mascara can beat a drugstore mascara, because it was amazing, and I don't even know what I liked so much about it. I just really liked it, but it ran out, which is why I picked this one up yesterday, and I just wasn't in the mood to spend $25 or however much it is on a mascara, but it was so good. Crap. And then my camera stopped recording, which is super cool, but the last thing I applied was the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, the original formula, and that's it. Those are my go-to products for the summer glowy makeup look. Hope you enjoyed!